This is an easy experiment about teleportation. For teleportation we need a crystal and we need light. The light ray is going into this crystal and is divided up into two new crossed light rays. The one is going to Bob and the second crossed light ray is going to Alice. A new photon which is going to Alice is teleported to Bob about this system of crossed light rays. Now let us see this crystal and Alice and Bob in a real experiment. Here you can see the light source. Now you make it and it's going. This light source and this crystal produced the crossed light rays. Now we send a new photon T to Alice. Now the photon is gone away and it is teleported, and you can see it is teleported to Bob. There is the new, and now it's back away. This was the teleported photon which was here at Bob.